Good day, viewers. You are welcome. In this video, we are going to be solving this problem, which is b multiplied by b multiplied by b equals b plus b plus b. And to find the value of b that satisfies this problem. So here we have it as solutions. Then here we have b to the power of 1 multiplied by b to the power 1 multiplied by b to the power of 1 equals b plus b plus b. So when we consider this rule that says if you have a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So we have this as a raised to the power of n plus m plus n. Then by adding b 1 plus 1 plus 1, we are going to write it as b to the power of 3 equals then b plus b plus b. That gives us 3b. So since we need to find all the given solutions that satisfy this, so we don't need to cancel b and b. So what we do here is we take this 3b to this side and we have b to the power of 3 minus 3b equals 0. And next we have, by factoring out b, here we have, when we divide this one by b, we are left with b to the power of 2 minus, when we divide this one by b, we are left with 3. And everything equals 0. And next we have b will be equals to 0, and we have b squared minus 3 equals 0. So by letting that one, we have b equals 0. So which is the first solution. And also we have b to the power of 2 minus 3 equals 0. So to get the value of b here, since it's a quadratic equation, so we write this as b to the power of 2 minus the square root of 3 to the power of 2 equals 0. So this and this, they are also the same. And also we consider from here, by note that anytime we have x squared minus y squared, so this is the same thing as x minus y, open bracket, x plus y. And here is a difference of 2 squared. So for this expression, we are going to write it as b minus root 3, open bracket, b plus root 3, and everything equals 0. So having these two, then we are going to let b minus root 3 equals 0, or b plus root 3 equals 0. So by continuing, we get the value of b here as b equals root 3, and we also get b equals minus root 3. So here is the other two solutions that satisfy this problem. And to check for all these solutions if they satisfy this equation, we have b multiplied by b multiplied by b equals b plus b plus b. So for the first one, at b equals 0, so when we try to substitute this one, if b equals to 0, so what we get here is 0 equals 0, which means that it satisfies the equation. And also when b equals the square root of 3, then by substituting it in this, we have root 3 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3 equals root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3. So for what we have here, when we multiply root 3 by root 3 by root 3, so we are going to get root 27, Or we can simply rewrite this thing as, when we multiply root 3 by root 3, so we get 3. Then here is root 3. So this equals, when we add root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3, that also gives us 3 root 3. So it shows that the left hand side of this equation equals to the right hand side when we test for when b equals root 3. And similarly, we can also check for when b is minus root 3. So at b equals minus root 3, so what we get here is very simple as what we get above. So we just try to change this positive to negative as we get minus 3 root 3. This is the same thing as minus 3 root 3. And we are done. So which means that all the given solution satisfy this problem. I hope we learned something today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.